If you are a restorative dentist, you probably agree that some of the most difficult procedures are restoring class 5 caries with composites. And I bet that many of you believe that isolation with Rabadam is impossible in this scenario. I'm here to prove you the contrary in this free webinar, where not only that you will see how easy it is to integrate Rabadam isolation with class 5 composites, but also you'll understand how this can help you to save time, get in the flow, focus on the procedure, not fighting with tongue, cheeks, cotton rolls and suction. Every detail and all the tips and tricks are meticulously explained, showing live cases from start to finish in all scenarios: molars, premolars and anteriors. Hope to meet you in the free webinar. See you online.